Hey YouTube, it's Steve, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building a basic clicker app. And as you can see, we're going to build the app on an Android phone without using Android Studio. So this is my clicker app right here. Basically what happens is you have the text view right here, which is the thing that displays the number. You have the click button, which actually adds clicks every time you click. And then you got the reset button that resets the value to 0. So basically we're going to get into this pretty quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into this app called Sketchware, which actually allows us to build the app using building blocks from the same apps like MIT App Inventor 2 and Scratch. Yeah, Scratch. They have like building blocks to build your apps and stuff, build like little things with blocks, and it basically makes coding very easy. So this is my clicker app right here. You can see I built it straight from the layout and then put the blocks. We're gonna go and start a new project, and the package name could be whatever you want. I'm just gonna put com dot, yeah, I'll just put my project. Project name is gonna have to be called something like clicker 2, because I already made clicker. And the app name is gonna be called the clicker. The icon, we don't really have to do anything. I specifically put a certain icon, but you can just leave it default. Okay, so first off you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your text view and actually have your little bar down here. You're going to drag the text view in here, and text view is what's going to be the output of your numbers and stuff. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to get this, and then you can change the ID if you want. I just recommend leaving it because it's the only text view you're going to have out there. For now we're just going to leave it out here, like just on the side. We're not going to really get into putting it in the middle and stuff. And the text, well, we're gonna go ahead and put this, just set it to nothing for now. And the text size we're gonna go and put to like 30. We'll just put 0 so you can see the text size. And there it is, 0. Now you want to go ahead and get a button, put it right below. Go to here, edit properties, and the button is gonna be called button 1, since there's only 2 buttons, the click button and the reset button. And you don't really need to edit the ID. The text is gonna be, instead of button, we're gonna call it we'll just call it add, because it's really adding a number. Text size, we'll put it to like 16. Does not matter. Just put whatever. Then you want to make the next button, and then you're gonna want to call it on text. We're gonna call it reset because it's gonna be the reset button. Save, and we got our basic layout. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the logic. Now here you can see that there's an on create, which is when the app is open. What's gonna happen when the app is open? So this is gonna be pretty important, sort of, when you start the app, because when you open the app you want it to at least set the text. So go to function, down here you're going to want to go here, set text view, which is that box out there, and we're going to go and set it to 0, because that's what we want it to start at when we open the app. And basically you're done here. That's all you got to do for this part. That's all you're going to have to do for that part. Then for button 1, which is the click button, you're going to want to go ahead and go into here. Go into your variable. You have a variable tab right here. Go ahead and go into it, and you're going to want to make a new variable. You're going to get 3 lists: a boolean, integer, and string. You're going to want to work with integer, which is the number. And we're going to go ahead and call this integer value, because we want to just make it simple. It's the value of what's going to be outputted to the text view. So basically what you want to do now is we made our variable, which is all over here. You see the variables down here. Function, go to function. Then you want to go ahead and get string, you want to go ahead and go into here and your variable and grab your variable and put value. So it's going to set the text to string, which is your value. Your value variable. Whatever your value variable is, which is can be anything, which right now is currently going to be displaying a number, is going to set the text view to that value, to that output. So we're done here now. Basically what's going to happen is it's going to add 1 every time we click that button. Now you want to go to button 2, which is going to be the reset button. This is very easy to work with. So basically when the button is clicked, you want to go to function, and you want to go to variable, set, and then you want to go to set value to, and then in here you just want to go and type in 0. So every time you hit reset, it's going to set the value to 0. And basically now we want to do is every time we click that button, we got to put this one right here, set text. So we're going to put set text to, cancel, and then you want to go to operator, put toString, and from here you want to get the variable, the value variable, that one, and put it in right there. And it's going to set the text to a string to the variable, and the variable, which is value, is going to equal 0 because up here we set it to 0. So what it's going to display on the output of the text view is the value, basically, which is 0. So basically when you hit reset, it's going to set it to 0. So basically we're done with the app. All you gotta do is hit run. Java's compiling, DX is running, ABK is building, and there it is. Hit install. Very easy, guys. Just gotta have the basic knowledge on the structure on how you're gonna build your app. Okay, go to open, and here's our clicker app. Add, it's working good. Reset, works good. Add, reset. Yep, we got it done, guys. That's how you build your clicker app. And the cool part about this is actually you can go to this little menu right here and then show source code, and it displays the whole code, which is I think is very cool. Basically, if you guys want to start you can actually start going into Android Studio. This will actually help you out. You can actually learn from this and be like, okay, so I gotta import all these. It tells you right here, private text. It's setting your text and stuff, and it's just really cool. You can just view text on the whole main activity. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys really like this video. Basic app. Get this app started. Getting started with this app that builds that. It's pretty cool. I recommend you guys get this app on Google Play Store. It's called Sketchware. Not that many people really know about it, but I recommend it because during the new updates, they're going to be adding some more cool stuff, and it's going to be really cool. So get this app, guys, and build your first app, like this clicker app. And this is mine. I kind of edited it and made it cooler, put it in the middle and stuff. But yeah, guys, you guys just got to do that. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.